Welcome to our channel. Today we will discuss how to overcome anxiety and pressure using Islamic guidance. First, let's understand what anxiety and pressure are. Anxiety is a feeling characterized by worry, nervousness, or unease about an uncertain outcome. Pressure often comes from external expectations, such as work, studies, or personal life. Islam provides us with a holistic approach to deal with these feelings, integrating spiritual practices into our everyday lives. The first principle is Tawakkul, which means trust in Allah. It means making your best effort and leaving the rest to Allah. The Quran says, "And whoever relies upon Allah, He is sufficient for him." Think of it like preparing for an exam. You do your best, but the result ultimately lies in Allah's hands. This mindset can reduce anxiety because you know you've done your part. Next is prayer and supplication. Turning to Allah with heartfelt supplications can bring immense relief and tranquility. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, taught us various supplications to seek refuge from distress and worries. One powerful dua that he recommended is, Allahumma inni a'udhu bika min al-hammi wal-huzni, wal-ajzi wal-kasali, wal-bukhli wal-jubni, wa dala'i ad-dayni wa ghalabati ar-rijal. If you found this video helpful, thank you for watching.